Do you not understand that Pharaoh has built his great house and he is stepping on your necks? Pharaoh tried to bring me down, but I am that I am.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop you. Unstoppable, so now we are trained.
So by now everybody should have already seen the video of the cult pastor inside the police station sitting up in the chair, well comfortable, right? And I know every Jamaican happy about that. Say him sit up in a police station and not actually behind bars. And not only that, some Jamaicans that say, yo, it was unprofessional of the officers to even release a video like that to social media. Not me no feel so still. But some Jamaicans I said it is unprofessional and it should not have happened, right? But for all who not see the video, take a look at it.
Rapture is the reaping.
No, but you said 9 o'clock you have open at the heart.
Rapture is raptus, which is rape, torture. That is what the rapture is. I come with salvation. I do not come to rape my people of their freedom, of their breath. You have to pay in this nation to walk your footprint, carbon footprints. If you march in this nation, you must pay. If you breathe in this nation, you must pay. Do you not understand that Pharaoh has built his great house and he is stepping on your necks? Pharaoh tried to bring me down, but I am that I am. All you people of the world, I came to you in this form. I am son of the soil, born in Glengulf, Victoria, the year of jubilee and victory. What happened? Oh, hospital, mat. They made my life a mat. I suffered, I bled. Look at this night when I came to call all of my sheep, the stray sheep from the 12 tribes and nation. The thunder comes, the cloud comes, and the rain comes. But you did not believe my report. I am the fountain of life. I am the Catherine Peak. I come from St. Catherine. That's why you gave me water from where I come from. St. Catherine, Jamaica is where I was born. I fulfilled all things. At the age of 9 years old, the angel of the Lord came and spoke to this body and asked me if I will give the eternal yes. I have given the eternal yes. I came as Jonah the Warner, but they mocked me and they scoffed me. They surrounded me and they looked at me and said, who is this man? Because man, God was tabernacled in man, seed of men. I carried the government of
Alright, me personally still ask why the man did a talk like that still, you know. But hey, some people say the spirits, the demons, the whatever are talking at him. But yeah, leave that alone. That is not the topic of the video. Now, the general writers right now address the Jamaica police force. Take a listen to what I must say.
Police. This is Shun. I'm back at you again. Because me soon do some things which is definitely arms house. Yeah, we don't have no rules, we don't have no government, and no rules, we don't have no governor. Nobody no governor, no. We just do whatever we want to do, and it's just alright. That's why we don't catch trouble for nothing at all, you know. Anything we do, we don't have to give account for it. We can just do anything. Anything is normal too, no. We don't got no boss. Because we and the boss are the same thing. Because if we need have a boss, now you manage now. You have this chopper now from Montego Bay. We call himself whatever pastor you want to call himself. This ark man. This chopper ark. The man is supposed to board the ark. Right? Imagine now so much murder committing in this man church. You don't find gun, you don't find knife, you don't find blood, you don't find murder, you don't find people under hostage, you don't find people kidnapped, you don't find so much things. When you go back to him house and you say you don't have enough evidence to charge him. You don't have this man in a police station like a circus. Uno is there now making a joke, and that man is there entertain uno, and him sitting out upon chair like him is some king. If I was the king, then he wall, you know, him I forget get locked up, I forget arrested like anybody else. He now out in a police station, sit down upon chair. When anybody come in a station for make a complaint or come in for the same thing, run them out of the station. Come out of the station, boy! Come out of the station! Come out there! That's when I go on like say station, I feel in the bedroom. I don't think it's a public place. Now when somebody being charged and somebody being arrested, somebody being charged until they go to court where they convicted or they set free. But when we notice it uno again, uno as they want to be judge and juror in a one. Uno try the case before the case go to court, you know, a few type of thing that, you know. And it's a Jamaican culture because people sit down on the tree and sit down a bar and sit in a backyard and try a case before it even go to the judge. Everybody can tell you what can happen and what can happen from what can happen. Now, uno arrest this man. Whether not charge him, yes or no. He should be behind lockup. He should be behind lockup. He shouldn't sit down out there giving joke and entertain. Uno is just a joke. Uno is just a joke. That's why you know ours we get in trouble. Because uno too idle. Uno too nyami. Uno too licky. Right? If you need have somebody for report to one for reporting, you couldn't do them type of thing then because if you know boss will find out why you do that. But because you know now well accountable for nothing, that's why you can do something like that. You put out this man on video and he is there entertaining the whole of uno. And it's alright too, because you know why? You got no boss around, because the boss and you and the whole of uno is same type of thing, you know. And one dirty Jamaican culture, you know. Right? And you know what hurt? You have two jackass out there. Where the head. You have one they call Governor General. I mean, you know what it's all about. Right? You have a next goat. We say my Queen Council. Right? You know, see them the thing I go on over England. I have to talk about England because I Una represent for England, you know. Uno, me say I represent for England. Me see no boss I represent for England. So my Queen Council. And you have a Governor General. So me not talk about no else. Me not talk about England. Because the thing I go on over here. If somebody being arrested, him being arrested, you soon hear so them find him, put him somewhere up at upper campus because it seems like him too nice to go behind bars. Because of certain people go behind bars. And I say, you police will have video this. You will go behind bars. And all that uno. So bad. Because if you do anything right now, with them I go arrest you and then like you go behind flipping bars and see which part him sit down. You see which part you not have him? You see which part you not have him sit down though. Sit down out there in a corridor in a chair and every type of sit down out there like him and give some farmer joke. You know take this thing for joke. Yeah, you know take this thing for joke, you know. That man should be behind bars. You shouldn't be there making a joke on the day they take a joke out of him and him entertain uno is wrong. Whatever uno I do, it is wrong. Uno must be more professional. Uno are not professional, uno are gimmicks. Uno are gimmicks, eyeglass. Uno are eyeglass. Uno are wanga got. Uno are nyami. Uno are drinky. Uno are eyeglass. Uno are not professional police. Let me tell you already, all on Avenue Station, I want book and one gun. Uno still have one book. Throw them out there. One book. And guns. Yeah? Uno is not professional police. Uno is just a set of man with the government recruit up and put them in some blue denim. For go out the road, for go do all type of shit. Uno is not a professional police. If uno was any type of professional police, whatever not do, uno wouldn't do that. You think uno over there copy overseas. Go back, go Google up and look on anything you want to look on and see if you see something like that. Because when them whole Biz Cosme and R. Kelly and all them people, you think them have them out there and take the joke out of them? Them arrested. Anybody them people lock up overseas, them don't care how big you is. For them duty is not to be there, to be taking the piss out of you and taking a joke out of you. But uno would dead there, and uno will make a joke on a carrier until him becomes a good friend until him get used to uno and who can get bribe, take bribe and who can do this to him. because he's a big man. We have a church and him have big contact. Because certain people in Jamaica can't go to jail and can't be arrested. No, they can't be arrested. But you see, the other day, it's what I do. I pick up the UIC man and arrest him and have him in a jail for all of them. Wait a minute, so you never get bail quickly. But you never have him out the door, so sit down on the corridor take the mickey out of him. But you have this man. You have this hawk builder. Yeah, this chopper. In a corridor, sit down and make joke. Him too nice in him prison food. I'm too nice to go in a prison. Because him have big house. And him have big this and him have big that. But you see, I'm telling you already, I say, unprofessional, you need to get some real job. I'm telling you need to have real job. You need to take on a job serious. But because I don't have no real boss, and nobody if you talk to and tell them, say, why if I not do? Say, if you don't get charged for this, you wouldn't do it. You use the phone all the time, and the video people and put it out there, because the government no give no one phone for video, and you use phone, no phone and do it, You have no camera, no body camera. Got the man in the house go read it, nobody no see nothing. Not do it. Everything you do is secret or whatever you say count. So you want people to love you. You think you're police? You're not police. You're not counterfeit. You're not police, because Jamaican the police are not real police. They be just a murderer and man out there with guns and put them in a uniform. You're not police. Real police, they're a different country. But uno are not police. Una do some justice type of man with some guns. Una no real police. Una just eyeglass. Proper eyeglass. It's such a shame and disgrace. If you see, una have this man in a corridor and entertain uno. You see, no send a man go to prison. You see, no send a DJ go to prison and all no can't find it, All no can't find no lizard or no roach or no rat or no scorpion or nothing. But you send people go and send a DJ go to prison and no can't find nothing. But with this man I know me certain no son of find blood. If I evil blood you no find it. Evil blood. A over blood. People dead. You no find knife. You no find gun. You no find murder. You no find so much things. And look what I do. I entertain no damn self. When you don't get to yourself in a trouble, you run to other people's country. Go try for better off. But I don't blame you still, I don't know better. I don't know better. I'm not a real police officer. If I'm not a real police officer, I don't do that. I don't got no real boss neither. Because no boss could have sit down there and entertain the joke out of it as well. That's what I do. Only one bloody set of eyeglass. We're not counterfeit. We're not real people. We're not counterfeit. Proper counterfeit. Yeah? We're not only son of police, but we're not a police. If you not go foreign and get yourself in trouble, you think you're not getting a good treatment? You're not getting a good treatment. You're not getting criminal treatment like anybody else. You're not trying to go over there and get yourself in no trouble. Yeah? So when you're not doing the work, and if you're doing the work professional and doing the work as carding too. But you're not partial on some people. That's why people not trust some people not telling them because certain people don't care about news to them. And don't care about news to no friend, and don't care about news to no family, and don't care about news to whosoever can look after and wait on the palm. But police over here not care about no news. Right now, I'm saying I might care a video, and if you say anything at me right, so I call the police and tell them. Nobody can call me informer. We don't have any type of culture where you see what you see, you talk what you see. If something happens yes now and me don't talk and me don't see, them can charge me for it. Because me see what happens, so me should call the police. But in Jamaica, people see I'm blind and ear and deaf. If me see something happen right yes in front of my face and 999 me a call. And when me call the police, them are going to take my number off of the system and any information they want, them are going to come to me because they got my number. Once you ring them, your number come up in them system. And when they want to ask any question in a court, that's what I go. This man no need to read out his rights and harass him and charge him. Anything you say may be giving evidence until in the court of law, whatever. I don't know, really, it's man a system, you know, can't go put him in one place and do that entertaining on themselves. You know, it's not there, my glass.
Well, alright, we reached the end of the video right now. What more I want to do for me is start me down below in the comment section. Do you agree or disagree that it was unprofessional for the police to record a video of him and put it out like that? And also, do you think that he should have been actually behind bars? Or just sitting up comfortable in a chair like that in the station? Now, I've heard from the rumor mill that there's a possibility that he will walk free of all the charges. What uno think? Me no know. What uno think? Talk to me down below in the comment section. Zane, this has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely if this is your first time and you have not yet hit the subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button. Turn on all notifications. Once you upload a video, you will get notified. No matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable and I'm out.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.